Employees constantly switch between multiple applications to complete their daily tasks and repeating the same manual processes over again. Businesses spend countless hours on repetitive manual work like ERP systems, accounting, DMSD portal data, and Tally integrated data. Businesses do the same thing, they just log into applications, apply formulas, copy data between systems, create Excel files, rename documents, and save files, and repeat these tasks. Same tasks that waste your time. Switch to UiPrime, an intelligent automation that makes business smarter and faster. UiPrime automatically handles everything in Portal. It logs in, select reports, download Excel files, and logs out from Portal.
Let's schedule your automation. First, we will select the profile, choose your desired report, pick the run frequency, and set your preferred time. Finally, click Save Schedule.
UiPrime turns your data into Tally-ready data automatically. Track every automation, monitor run status, manage schedules, and generate reports, all from a single, centralized dashboard. The results are absolutely incredible. Automating our workflow is the best decision.
I'm glad we could help you achieve this.
UiPrime automates your repetitive work. It takes your business to the next level.